y'all, my name is Yessenia. I am an elementary and literacy lab facilitator here at Girls Inc. My pronouns are she, her, and hers. And today we're going to be doing a fun origami activity. The materials you'll need for this project are origami paper or a regular piece of paper cut into a square. How you'll do this is you will use a ruler to measure 6 inches across the paper and then 6 inches going up as well to create a perfect square. Then you will cut it out using scissors. You can decorate the front however you would like to create a pattern or a design, but leave the back blank. Another thing that you can do is find what you have at home. So if you have some wrapping paper like I did here, you can use wrapping paper as origami paper. So let me just use some Girls Ink magic to make this paper into origami paper. Ta-da! Here we have our origami paper. I'm going to be walking you through how to make an origami butterfly with this sheet here. So it's going to be a little tricky. Don't worry, you might not get it on the first try, and that's okay. What you can do is continue practicing at home until you get it right. Because remember, here at Girls Inc., it's okay to fail sometimes. But just keep trying and eventually you'll get it. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to flip your paper over so the blank side is facing you. And then I just kind of want you to rotate it so that it's in a diamond formation instead of a square. So now you're going to fold the bottom of the diamond up to meet this point. So you want the points to touch. All right, so just like this. Once you have it folded, you want to make sure you get a really nice fold here by pushing down to create the crease. Then you're going to open it up and you're going to fold it in half again, but this time bringing this point to this point. Make sure you fold down to create that crease. Perfect. All right, so go ahead and open it back up, flip it over. And now I want you to turn it so it's a square. And then you're going to be folding it in half. These points are going to touch these points. And this line is going to line up with this line. And then open it back up and fold it the other way. So these 2 points with these points. This line with this line. Alright, so then open it back up. You'll want to kind of lift up your paper and kind of pop the middle up here with your finger underneath the paper, and you'll be able to see it kind of start to lift this way like a little mountain. And then what you're gonna do, push this line, push it in towards the mountain, and these lines right here, you want to make sure those stay out. So you'll push in, you'll have to guide it a little, and you'll have something like this where you can see it's pushed in on the sides. Flip it so that this point is pointing towards you. Now you're gonna grab this side here, and you don't need to grab both of them. Do you see how there's 2? Just the top layer, and you're gonna fold it down. You want it to be kind of off, so poking out a little like this. Do you see how there's a little gap there? And then same thing to the other side. Try to make sure that the sides are equal. And you can see even in my paper there is some imperfections. I didn't quite line everything up correctly, but that is okay. You'll see this point, so bring it behind and over this area right here. You'll want to have a little bit right there overlapping, and that piece that is overlapping you'll fold over the middle like this. Make it nice and creased. And then last step is you're gonna gently fold your butterfly in half, just so that the middle piece that you folded over up here stays in place. And that is it. That is how you make your origami butterfly. All right, so for this next part of the video, you are going to see me try to make an origami art that I've never done before. All right, I have a video pulled up on my computer, my origami paper here, and I think we're ready for you to see me try to make an origami cat for the first time. So let's do it. I think I messed up. Hold on. Let me go back a little. So far, so good. This is not working out like theirs. You know what? I'm just gonna continue. It's okay if it's a little wrong, right? It should be fine. That's it. That is my cat. This was actually kind of challenging, but I'm proud of this. I'm proud of this little cat. I hope you enjoyed doing this activity with me. Remember, if you want me to see your creations, what you can do is you can email them to me. My email will be down here, or you can tag us on Instagram. And don't forget, you are strong, smart, and bold. I'll see you in the next video. Luna, do you approve of my cat?